Okay, so let's talk through this calculated grades registration portal and how it's done. So first thing to do is just get onto the right website. So you can just do that by Googling Leaving Cert 2020 and then go down the page a bit and you'll find the correct website there, the gov.ie website, Leaving Cert 2020. On that website, if you scroll down the page a bit, you'll see something that says to access the calculated grade student portal. So there it is. Click here to access the calculated grade student portal. Do that. And then there's a before you start guide that you can read in full before you commence the registration process if you were born to read and not to lead, which I am not born to, so I'm going to go straight to this. Now, if you haven't registered, which you probably haven't yet, you go here and use your candidate number and PIN. So your candidate number would be whatever that is. Mine was 170490. Then the PIN would be the first 4 digits of your PPS number. So in my case, that would be that. So then you confirm your identity. Now, for me, that was unsuccessful because I've already done this step. But for you, what will happen is you'll come to a page here that will have, you have to put in your mobile number, your email address, and create a password. Okay? And once you've done that, they'll send you an email, and the email will be from the Department of Education and Skills. It might go into your junk, so be careful of that. Mine didn't. And then you'll have this kind of email here saying, dear student, you're almost finished. Click here to activate your account. So you click here to activate your account and you'll get brought to this page. On this page here, you go to log in. So you log in with your exam number, which in my case was 170490. And your password, whatever that was that you created. Mine's pretty long. There you go, that'll do, log in. And then once you're there, you'll get to this page here, and watch out for the timer at the end. See that timer there? You got 5 minutes to do all this stuff before it logs you out. However, if you're taking ages reading everything, and you want to just reset the timer, you can do that. Then you'll see this, confirm your subject levels, and you'll have all your subjects. For most people, it'll be around 7 subjects. For me, it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's what we like, all at higher level. Now, if you want to drop them down, that's easy. Just decide to go to ordinary level, or in the case of Irish and Maths, you can go to foundation level if you like. What you can't do, though, is you can't change up. So if your level is lower than you expected and you want to change it to higher level, you're not allowed to do that. And also you're not allowed, well, there seems to be no way on this to drop subjects. So it seems you can't drop subjects using this form. I suppose, yeah. And also you can't take up new subjects. Now if there's anything weird like that, as they say here, the unlikely event you're incorrectly entered at a lower level, then you have to email this. If there's anything weird, like if you're either entered for a wrong subject or entered for a wrong level, or if one of your subjects seems to be missing, this is the place to go. Leaving Cert Support 2020 education.gov.ie. And then they will contact your school and get proof and all that, but still, that's the way to do it if there's a mistake. If there's no mistake, then the steps, it's really easy, it's very straightforward. You just change whatever you want to change here. I would advise most students don't change anything because I don't think teachers are going to fail you in this coronavirus strange year. Okay, so you check this box to confirm these levels and then click this button here and you are done. And there we go, there's the little list of confirmation of your subject levels that you're taking for this year, and then you can screenshot that or print it, and that's all you need to do. Okay, and the screenshot is just for your own records. I mean, once that's done, you're done. There is no need to do anything more than that. You don't have to print or screenshot that. It's only if you want to for your records. And there we go. Easy as that. Good luck, everyone.